Your life is such a beautiful thing. In each person, there's a possibility to change the course of the world as we know it. In the medical profession, there's a term called vitals, the component of the body that is essential for life. But looking at it from another perspective, it could be viewed that each human being is vital to the building of a nation, vital to history, vital to generations we'll never meet. In commemoration of National Heroes Day, PBCJ remembers the lives of 7 individuals who are vital in achieving Jamaica, land we love. PBCJ presents Part 2 of the Sam Sharp Rebellion.